Hi, in today's session of this Power Query, we are going to learn about merging data. We'll merge data from these two different sheets. Now I have name of students in one sheet and the marks of students in another sheet. Let's see what data is in this names list. Now I have 25 students along with their roll numbers and their dummy names. Let's open another workbook mark sheet which has two different sheets, theory marks and viva marks. You will note that in the list of students, not all these students have appeared into the exam as per my record. Only if I select all these cells, you can notice that only 18 students have marks of theory in here, and if I come into viva, there are once again 18 students, but they are not same. So I cannot just copy all these marks from here and I cannot place them here because the number of students are different and not all the students have appeared. What I need to do is I need to merge records from students list and from viva and theory based on this column of serial number, this serial number, and here in the students list this serial number, and we are going to do all this by Power Query, not by macros, not by anything, not by lookups. We'll just make use of Power Query. So first start Microsoft Excel, a new workbook. We don't need these two workbooks. I'm just closing. Now come on to here. This is my new workbook. In Excel 2016, Power Query is my built-in feature. Just come on to here. Okay, and click here, new query, from file, from workbook. A new dialog box will appear asking you for the location of file to load data from. Click on name list. First of all, we are going to import all the students. Here is our data table. Okay, load. I'm clicking on load to get the data into my worksheet. Now to rename, I'm just going to edit it and click change the name students list. Okay, what I want to do is I want to load more data. Now we have two different options. It's possible that we can go into data once again and we click over here, and from file and from workbook we again open the sheet, or it's also possible that we can go into our Power Query window and from the new source, from file and from Excel, we can load the data from worksheet. Click on import. The same dialog box will appear. Now we need to retrieve data from these both tables, table 1 and table 2. Click OK. Okay, now as we have more than one table, you can see the queries are listed in the left pane in the queries pane, and here is the query settings. So in the table 1, let's rename it to theory mask, and the table 2 we have just viva marks. Okay, now we have data in 3 different queries. We are going to merge the data based on this serial number column, this serial number. So what we need to do, come on to students list, go into merge queries. Now this column is our base column. We are going to merge students with theory marks based on serial number. This column should be highlighted. That column through which you want to merge the records should be highlighted. Now this row having serial number 1 will be merged with serial number 1. This row, for example, having serial number 6 will be merged with serial number 6 of this table. Now because we don't have serial number 5 in here, this serial number 5 will left blank. Okay, click OK. Okay, as I clicked OK, you can see that in this table a new column has been added. I'm going to click it. I don't want serial number in here. Theory, midterm, attendance and total marks are good to go. Just click here. Now you notice that serial number remained null because serial number 5 didn't appear in this exam. Now once again we want to merge Viva marks. Let's see what data is in that table. Let's sort it first in ascending. It's not necessary, but we just want to know that who has appeared in our exam and who has not. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 4 having serial number 3 and 4 students are missing, so this 3 and 4 will remain null for Viva. Once again come into merge queries. This serial number should be selected, and from Viva marks come into here and click OK. And from here remove serial number. We don't want serial number repeating more than once, and OK. Now serial number 3 and 4 didn't appear in the exam, so 3 and 4 is left blank. Now here serial number 8 has not appeared in serial number 10. The 10th record on serial number 8 has not appeared in the theory or Viva, so yes, 8 is missing. Now here 8 is also missing. So this is the way we merged it. Now as a final step we need to click on load and close. So here is our merged data on sheet 2. This is the merged data. You can just rename the column from here, but if you want to rename the column from query window, just click on edit, come in here, right click over here and click on rename theory marks. I'm renaming it to midterm marks. Okay, not midterm marks, just midterm is enough. Now these are class totals. This total is the sum of theory, midterm and attendance. We can also have this calculated column, but for now it's okay. I'm not going deep into that Viva marks. Okay, now it's saved. You will note that in the query settings all the steps are recorded over here, that what we did step by step, and just finally we need to load and close. Now this is our final merged sheet, in which we have merged data from more than one workbooks, and all columns are matched based on this serial number. So that's it for this session. Thank you very much.